Hello friends, you are watching Everyday Muskan Mission YouTube channel. In today's video we will talk about immunity. Nowadays it is very common to hear that improve your immunity system, enhance your immunity system, how to make your immunity system strong. There's a lot of confusion regarding this topic, and during the period of lockdown or the coronavirus period, we are continuously hearing it, but we does not have any idea how to strengthen our immunity system, how to make it perfect to fight for the different types of viruses and diseases. So in this video we will clear out all the doubts regarding immunity system. So please, before starting this video, like, comment and subscribe the channel for the latest information. It is commonly heard by us that strong immunity keep a person healthy. Before understanding the term immunity, we have to firstly understand what is immunity system consists of. Immunity system basically consists of cells, organ, tissues and proteins which together perform the bodily functions of the person body. It basically processes many kinds of activities such as eating, oxygen, taking oxygen from the air and different types of activities related with the bodily processes. So bodily processes together fight with different types of viruses, diseases and pathogens or foreign bodies. They actually together perform a lot of activities to fight with these harmful viruses, diseases and pathogens. They can be of any type, of any variety, and this prevent the body from different types of diseases and infections. So there's a simple example to understand it. Actually we have to suppose that our house is our body, a human body, and secondly we have to suppose that thief is a pathogens or a virus and disease, and thirdly we have to suppose that a policeman is a antibodies which will fight with the thief or will arrest him. Now suppose in your house a thief enters and you saw him while performing such activities which was inappropriate for your house. So basically what you will do, you will make a call to a police and you will inform about the situations and inform him that please take immediate action. Basically our body performs two same like this. How it is, we have to assume that immune system when suddenly comes in contact with different types of viruses, diseases and pathogens, it fight and it kills them. Basically the function of immune system is this only, to remove the harmful viruses and diseases from our body and to keep the body healthy to fight for these viruses and diseases. So there are normally many types of fruits and vegetables available near around us which we could take easily and improve our immunity system. So normally these fruits and vegetables are easily available. Now I am telling you the few names and of vegetables and fruit which you can use in your daily life and enhance your immunity system. So firstly, there are commonly blueberries, oily fishes, dark chocolates, green tea, black tea, garlic, ginger and sweet potatoes. There are many few. If you want to get it, just please listen video throughout. We have many things such as broccoli, kaffir, spinaches. You can also take citric fruits such as oranges, apple. Please try to avoid cold drinks or the drinks which are cold, like ice cream, cold drinks and the water directly from the refrigerator. Please try to avoid these things. This will basically harm you because there are the studies going on the favorable conditions of the coronaviruses, that how they could survive in the temperature which are cold. So please try to avoid. And the most commonly thing which you could use, that is turmeric. It is basically used in the Indian families a lot, and even sometimes it is added in a milk also to consume it. Try to take hot drinks such as black tea, green tea and normal tea as well. And if you like this video, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button, like, comment and subscribe. And you can ask any kind of things related on this topic. If you like this video, please share with your friends. Take care. Bye bye. I love my India.